Hi guys, welcomes to my YouTube channel. Electrical change. Below is a general overview of the cable production process. 1. Design and planning. Specification definition. Determine the cable's purpose, electrical properties, mechanical strength, environmental resistance, and compliance with industry standards. Material selection. Choose appropriate materials for conductors, insulation, shielding, and sheathing, example, copper, aluminum, PVC, polyethylene, etc. Blueprint creation. Develop detailed designs and specifications for the cable structure. 2. Conductor preparation. Wire drawing. Raw metal, usually copper or aluminum, is drawn through a series of dies to reduce its diameter to the required size. Annealing. The drawn wire is heated to improve its flexibility and conductivity. Stranding. Multiple wires are twisted together to form a stranded conductor, which enhances flexibility and durability. 3. Insulation. Extrusion. The conductor is passed through an extruder, where insulating material, example, PVC, XLPE, rubber, is applied uniformly around it. Cooling. The insulated conductor is cooled using water or air to solidify the insulation. Curing. For certain materials, example, cross-linked polyethylene, the insulation is cured to enhance its properties. 4. Shielding. If required, application of shielding. A metallic layer, example, aluminum foil, copper braid, is added to protect the cable from electromagnetic interference, EMI. Taping or braiding. Shielding can be applied as a tape or braided around the insulated conductor. 5. Assembly. Twisting or pairing. For multi-core cables, individual insulated conductors are twisted or paired together. Filling. Gaps between conductors may be filled with materials to improve mechanical stability and moisture resistance. Jacketing. An outer sheath is extruded over the assembled core to provide additional protection and durability. 6. Testing and quality control. Electrical testing. Conductors are tested for continuity, insulation resistance, and dielectric strength. Mechanical testing. Cables are tested for tensile strength, flexibility, and resistance to abrasion, crushing, and impact. Environmental testing. Cables may be tested for resistance to heat, cold, UV radiation, and chemicals. Certification. Ensure compliance with industry standards, e.g., ISO, IEC, UL, etc. 7. Marking and coiling. Printing. Information such as cable type, size, voltage rating, and manufacturer details are printed on the outer sheath. Coiling or reeling. The finished cable is wound onto reels or coiled for storage and transportation. 8. Packaging and shipping. Packaging. Cables are packed in protective materials to prevent damage during transit. Labeling. Packages are labeled with necessary details for identification and tracking. Shipping. Cables are transported to distributors or customers. Types of cables and variations. Power cables, designed for transmitting electrical power. Communication cables include fiber optic and twisted pair cables for data transmission. Coaxial cables, used for high-frequency signal transmission, e.g., TV, Internet. Specialty cables, designed for specific applications like submarine cables, fire-resistant cables, etc. Key equipment used. Greater than wire drawing machines. Greater than extruders. Greater than twisting and stranding machines. Greater than braiding machines. Greater than testing equipment, e.g., high-voltage testers, continuity testers, *. Greater than coiling and reeling machines. Wire. Industry standard. Cable production must adhere to international and regional standards, such as IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, UL, Underwriters Laboratories, BS, British Standards, ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials. Environmental considerations. Use of recyclable materials. Reduction of hazardous substances, example, RoHS compliance. Energy-efficient manufacturing processes. This process ensures the production of high-quality cables that meet the required performance and safety standards. Thanks for your time. Please subscribe.